Hey there everyone, welcome back to Measuremix. My name is Jessica if you're new here, and welcome to my channel. If you like what you see, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and the notification bell so YouTube will notify you every time I upload a new video. So today's video actually comes from a subscriber request. Her name is Jody. Hi Jody. She asked if I could make a charging station out of some Dollar Tree items. So I said I was up for the task, and that is what I'm going to show you today, how I did that. So I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so what I'm going to need for this project from Dollar Tree is 3 of these plastic book bins, and I just picked them up in the color black because I am going to spray paint them, and I'm going to use the Rust-Oleum's Chalked Linen White spray paint to do that. And then I also need one of these storage containers with a lid on it. And then I'm also going to need some nautical rope. I used 7 packs of the nautical rope. You can buy this in bulk from dollartree.com in as little quantities of 4. And then I'm also going to need my hot glue gun and some glue sticks as well, my E6000 and scissors, of course, and then I need a box cutter and then a Sharpie pen. And then I'm also going to need my drill and a big enough drill bit for you to drill a hole into your book bins, and that hole is going to be for the cords to go through, so you want to make sure your drill bit is big enough for your cords. And then lastly, I am going to need one of these power strips. I had this already, but you can pick one up at Walmart for a reasonable price or Five Below. Alright, so the first thing I am going to do with my book bins is I am going to turn them over to the bottom, and they have 2 little holes on the bottom, and I'm going to go to that second hole there that I'm pointing to, that is more towards the longer side of the book bin, and I am just going to drill holes in all 3 of those book bins. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray paint all 3 of them with my chalked spray paint, and I did end up spray painting the lid to the storage container as well. It's already white, but I thought maybe to make it more of a cohesive look, I would go ahead and spray paint it with the chalked spray paint. Now what I'm going to do is take my storage bin and the power strip and my Sharpie marker and just trace out the power strip onto the long side of the storage bin. Now I'm just going to take my box cutter and go along the trace marks that I made and cut that rectangle out, and this is how my power strip is going to fit inside my box. And then to hold it in place, after I got that all cut out, I put some hot glue around it on the outside and the inside. That way it wouldn't be sliding in and out of the box, and it would stay put. Alright, so you don't see inside the box. I am going to wrap the storage container in some nautical rope, and I just went all the way around the box and wrapped it all the way to the top. Once I did get to the power strip, I cut the rope and then went to the other side of the power strip and then started it again and continued wrapping all the way up the storage container. I ended up using 3 packs of the nautical rope for this. And of course this is more of a farmhouse look for this charging station. If you wanted maybe a different look, I was thinking you could use the bling wrap that you get at the Dollar Tree for more of like a glam look, and you could wrap your container in that. Alright, so now my book bins are dry, and you can see here on one side of each of the bins, it has like a little lip that you can fit over the smaller side of the bin. So I just fit those over together and hooked them on, so that way they would stay in place. Now you could glue them if you wanted to, but I didn't think it was necessary. Then I turned the book bins over so that the small side was on the top and the long side was on the bottom, and then the bottom was the actual back of what the charging station is going to be. Then I placed the 3 book bins on top of the lid of the storage container, and the lip of those bins fit right over the storage container. And then all I did was take some E6000 and some hot glue and glue each of the book bins to the top of the container, making sure that the lips were interlocking together when I did it. So this part is probably optional for you guys if you wanted to recreate this, but I thought the sides and the top of the containers looked a little bit boring, so I decided to use some more nautical rope and just wrap it on the sides of one book bin and then bring it back up all the way across the top of the book bins to the other side and wrap it, and then just keep wrapping it around that way to give it more of a cohesive look, so it would tie in with the storage container that I wrapped in the nautical rope. So for this part, I ended up using 4 packs of the nautical rope to wrap the bins in. A few other ideas for the bins. You could also use contact paper. The wood looking ones from the Dollar Tree I think would be really cute onto the sides of the bins, or you could use decals from the Dollar Tree, or you could just stencil something also onto the sides of the bins, or if you were doing the glam look like I said before and wrapping the bottom in that bling wrap, you could wrap the top in the bling wrap as well. It's all up to you. This is totally customizable, so these are just a few options, and you guys can take with it and run with it if you want to recreate this charging station. Alright guys, I hope you liked this farmhouse charging station, especially you, Jody. I hope this is what you were looking for. Thank you so much for suggesting the idea. I had a lot of fun playing around with it and coming up with something. So if any of you guys have any suggestions or ideas for me, my email and Facebook and Instagram are down in the description box below. Feel free to contact me and I will try to get back to you guys. So in the meantime, make sure to like, comment, and share this video, and I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.